Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to share contacts from Android to Android. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily share contacts from one Android device to the other. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, so this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you want to do is to open your contact over here. Now once you open your contact, all you want to do is to select the contact you want to share. So just select the contact you want to share over here, and then once you click on that, or once you select anyone, you can see the three lines at the upper right corner. Click on that and you can see select all. So if you want to select all, you can select all, so click on select all. But if you want to select few, just select the one that you prefer, the ones that you prefer, and that's all. Now once you have selected your contact, you can see the share button at the top here. Click on that and click on the first option, and you can see a lot of options over here. Now you can see Bluetooth. If you can't see it, you can just swap it up and you can see all the options over here. Click on Bluetooth. Now once you click on Bluetooth over here, now turn on Bluetooth on your different device, the second Android device you want to share your contact to. So turn on the Bluetooth and also just accept it over here. So this is very simple. You can see it is loading over here. So just turn on your Bluetooth and that of the other Android device, and with this you can easily share your contact or move your contact to your different Android device. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new